Just got these for review, these kitchen counter baskets, and I'm coming on here to unbox it and then show you guys what it's actually like. Right, so comes with a user manual. It's supposed to be a super easy, seamless put together. So I'm really looking forward to that process. And we've got the tops here and all the other parts over here. And then let me just quickly put this together and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I put one together, but I wanted to show you guys how easy this installation process is. So all you do is unfold this into a basket looking thing, and then you clip these edges onto each other. And that's pretty much the whole installation process. Basket is done. So easy. So, and then we put this wooden part on there and then put kind of the handles on top, and that's it. It is done. Like literally that was it. So I wanted to show you guys all the things that are cool about this basket. So first of all, we've got at the bottom, we've got these non-slip kind of balls or rings. I'm not sure what you call them, but because of this won't move. This is really nice. And then also you can stack these on top of each other. So you can have one on top of the other, just like this. Or you can have these side by side and you can put stuff on there. That's why they have the wooden part, so that you can literally put stuff on there. And then also you can just grab stuff out, so you don't even need to take this wooden part off at all, which is really nice. So let me just show you guys what a real life usage of this would be like. I have some potatoes, I'm gonna put in one, and then I'll show you. Okay, so I definitely had less potatoes than I intended. I definitely need to fill our pantry up, but this is what we have. So I'm going to use it for potatoes, and then I'm going to just like put some jars on top. So we have extra storage space, which is amazing. And then the other one, which I don't have any right now, is I'm going to use it for onions and garlic. So I'm going to put those in there and then also put some stuff on top as well. But yeah, I definitely love this. This is amazing. I'm so excited to put this in our pantry and to have everything organized. So yeah, you should for sure go get yourself one or your friend one or somebody who you know needs this. This is definitely a product I'm going to be raving about and I love it. So go get yours.